Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Tractor Supply. We're going to be looking at the tool deals and a bunch of other stuff that Tractor Supply does have and other stores don't. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way you YouTubers and platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, you got the knife here for $9.99. It's a wood handle, or wood brown handle actually. You got a 14-piece magnetic drive guide DeWalt. It's $14.99. A lot of the stuff isn't on the right place. Just that's the way Tractor Supply is. $14.99 for the Crescent 7-piece wrench set with a pouch. It's a little nice set for the truck, maybe for the junkyard, or if you gotta take it, let somebody borrow it. And then you got this rubber wrench here with the locking plier set at the bottom. So $9.98. So that's a really nice deal here with just that locking pliers. And you got a set of Job Smart locking pliers set here. It's a 4-piece. $9.98 or $9.99. It's a nice little set here. And they got this 21-piece air accessory. This is a must-have for every garage. 21-piece air tool, $9.99. And then you got these C-clamps, pack of 2, $9.99. As you guys see there, got plenty of them. And they got this pipe wrench and this adjustable or groove joint. They both of them come in a one pack, $12.99. So nice. I really like the yellow because you can pretty much find them everywhere. Got the job site combination wrench set, $14.99. It's a 22-piece from Job Smart. And then they got this 50-piece screwdriver set. So $14.99 for this. So it comes with a nice little case. Alright, and then I saw these boots. It's a really nice boots. Carhartt. I really like the back rubber part that it has. They are high tops, so that's a plus for having, being out there and the elements of the weather and everything, dust and all kinds of stuff. So $174.99 is the model number, CPL 1200. And then you got the safes here. So you guys know that Tractor Supply does have a whole bunch of selection of safes. If you check them out in the holidays, that's when they get all these deals, some crazy deals that nobody else can beat. So if you need a safe and if you want to save the most amount of money, make sure you guys check them out around the holidays, Black Friday to be exact. You got a 30 gun safe there, $7.99. You got 40 minutes of fire protection. So it's a really nice safe. It is. All these are nice. I just wish I could afford, something like that, something really nice like that. Got a 40 gun Canon fire safe, $8.99. And you got 45 minutes of fire safety. And you got a nice digital. You got a 75 minutes of fire safety there. That one's $1,299. It's on clearance. It was $1,499. $449 for this one. I believe this was not fireproof. We would have to look at the manual and see if it is. But it's a 30 gun safe. It's still a nice little safe to have. Was $549.99. So you're saving about $100 on this one. And you got this one for $5.99. It's a really nice box. Winchester, 26 gun Winchester safe. Oh, I forgot. I can't say that word because I might get demonetized. So you got 57 by 28 and 20 inch in depth, 363 pounds. $5.99. Then you got this. These are mostly like cabinets. $199. It's an 18 piece set there, or 18 capacity. $399 for the 12 capacity. Like I said, I shouldn't have said that word because I might get in trouble with YouTube. You got a 12 set there, 55 inch by 18. Then you got the mini bike here. It's a really, I wish I could have the space for something like this. I don't have anywhere to store it. That's the problem. But it sounds like, if you have a kid or a teenager, it's a really nice little bike. I really like the camel gray and black that it has. $899. It's a 196cc mini bike. Then they got the buy one get one free from Makita. So you buy any of the tools on the left and you get the ones on the right. So it says your choice: reciprocating socket 2 amp hour or a 1/2 inch impact wrench kit with the 3 amp hour. Your choice for $219, and then you can get the subcompact brushless drill or the inflator tool. And they got the subcompact drill. And they got some more tools in the back. It's just that, on the display they were ran out. So $399 for the Champion, 3,650 watt running, and 4,600 max. This one's a 6,000 watt for $799. Really nice. Yeah, those are really nice. You get a stick and tick welder, $14.99. But I guess it's a reduced price, so $1,149. So that is the reduced price on this. And they got this Hobart, $4.99. Yeah, they got the Stickmate 210i. That's a really nice welder. And they got the Gear Wrench 19 piece. And that's not it. That's another piece there. I was trying to find the price on this. So $39.99. That's for this one. It's a really nice set. It does come with some star bits, female and male. That's a plus. Plus you got this gear wrench ratcheting combination wrench set. 20 piece. It's a really nice set there. $64.99. And you got this a smaller kit here on the top. It's $44.99 for a 7 piece gear wrench. And they got the 7 piece bolt biter extractor socket, $29.99. This is a really nice set to have in the shop. You can always run into those rounded off nuts and bolts that you can't take off. Get a 50 piece by 3/8 nanotech toolkit. Got a lot of sockets there, a lot of bits. It's 50 piece. It does come with a nice case. Comes with the ratchet. $49.99 for the 34 piece. It's a nice socket set. It does come with the really small sockets all the way to the larger ones. So, and they got this. This is a really nice set here. Wish I could afford it. $44.99 or 44 piece. It's a metric. It does come with 2 extensions. $79.99. And they got this Crescent 84 piece socket set with ratchets. $47.99. The Job Smart. And then they got this for $27.99. It's an 8 piece impact socket set. Then they got this mechanics tool set. This is a really large mechanics tool set. 126 pieces. 114 basically. Down from 124. And then if you need sockets, guys, this is the place to come and get them. They got all kinds of sizes. I actually went to AutoZone and Checkers Auto Part or Rally Auto Parts, and I couldn't find the socket that I wanted. But here they did have it. you know, it's too late now because I already bought it. But I just want to let you guys know that they do have single sockets here, wide selection. They got a 4-inch vise, $44.99. They got a 3-inch vise, $27.99. That's a nice little vise for the edge of the table. And they got the compressors from DeWalt and Ingerson, $679.99 for the 60-gallon. Air compressor, $149, $109.99. Alright, I just had the lights went out here. There's a storm here and we had a blackout here. Anyways, $7.99 air compressor, 5 horsepower. You got the nice toolbox here for $34.99. It's a 23-inch DeWalt. And then you got this. This is a really nice box. It's like a stackable box. Totes, power tool case. It's a 2-in-1. I don't know if that's the real price for that. You got the Flexilla 50 feet reel, 3/8-inch hose, $189. So you guys know Flexilla is a really nice brand. Concrete or not concrete. You got this air compressor. It's a belt drive, $969. Now it's $869, so it's down $100 as it is, no returns. If you guys don't know, these are like the higher end compressors. These are the nicer ones, the quiet ones. This is the Porter Cable, 12-gallon, 5-peak horsepower. It's on clearance for $74.99. It is a 6 horsepower wet and dry vacuum. Then they got this one on clearance. It's a 7.5 amp reciprocating saw, $44.99. They didn't have it. Then they got this Bosch impact driver and drill driver. And the impact driver, it is an impact wrench. If you guys don't know the freak, that's what they do. Bosch, $179.99. It is a 2 amp hour kit, 2 tools. And they got the impact driver, or what is it? The square drive that they call it, brushless, from Bosch. $159.99 with the 2 amp hour battery. It's a really nice set there. And then they got this $249 impact driver and drill driver. And this is one of the impact drivers. If you guys don't know a little bit more about Bosch, well, the freak, they always have a square drive, like a impact wrench, and they do have the ability to put hex bits in there, like an impact driver. Those are the DeWalt 7-piece impact sockets, $34.99. It's a really nice set there. And they got this one on clearance for $22.99. It's a DeWalt 10 amp reciprocating saw, which I did not see, but I'm just mentioning in case you guys see it at your store. And then I thought it was this, but it's not. It's like a grease gun kit with the 4 amp hour battery. Then they had this one on clearance, was $129. It's a lithium reciprocating saw, 20 volts, $89.99. And they got this 20 volts 6.5 circ saw, $69.99. And it's not that, that's the atomic, and that is a 4-inch, I believe. And you got the 6.5 lithium circ saw, $129. I don't know if this one's the one that's on clearance, or yeah, there's just a lot of the prices are all over the place. Got a 20 volt max compact reciprocating saw kit, $219. It is $199. It's on sale. Save $20. And they got this 4.5 performance angle grinders, $119.99. So it is a corded. It's not cordless. And then they got this 1/2-inch impact wrench with pin detent anvil, $319, and now it's $269.99. So it is the kit does come with batteries and chargers. So definitely check it out. Lots of great deals. That's the way you can detach the pin. So you guys see here, they got a whole bunch of DeWalt selection. They got a big selection. Same thing with Makita. They got the X-Locks. These are the new X-Locks. 4.5 angle grinder. And these are the corded ones, $89, which is a great price for a newer tool. And then they got the paddle switch there, $159. The slider, actually, I think that's the slider, not the paddle switch. Yeah, I think that's the sliding switch, the one at the top. The paddle switch is the one on the bottom. And they got some more angle grinders here. Like I said, they have a huge selection of tools. They got the Gorilla 175 feet zero rust hose, $129.99. The hose reel. It says design built to last. And then they got this for $2.99. This is the weed whacker power head with the with weed whacker attachment capable. It is flex volts. Then they got the pole saw attachment for $99. Then they got the DeWalt cutter attachment for $69.99. And they got the blower attachment for $79.99. Personally, I do not like these. I prefer having a dedicated tool for each tool, basically, for each job. Because if something breaks, obviously you're not out of it. You don't have to re-spend the $2.99 on that special tool. Otherwise, your tips are your accessories are going to be useless. This is a battery power backpack, and that's a regular backpack there, $69.99. So they got the electric one to the left and the manual to the right. They got $5.49 for the 3-in-1 bagging such discharge 21-inch deck from Toro, 163cc. And then they got this Toro here, 3-in-1 163 Briggs & Stratton, $4.49. This is a 22-inch deck. Toro, 163cc. And they got this other 22-inch deck, $3.99. Yeah, somehow they got a whole bunch of models and different prices. So that's Tractor Supply has a just a wide selection of gas mowers, basically. And they got this one. This one's not common. It's like an edger string trimmer, walk behind string trimmer. Guys, that's it for today. I just want to show you guys, give a quick tour of this store. This is a really nice store. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTube is a platform by subscribes and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.